Hi there, welcome back. This is the second part of profile setting. So, in our previous part, I just look at that. Here's another form is profile update, and here is this. Here is not a current password. We just manage for in here our upload photo. Okay, this is the upload photo. And here look at that input type password. No, here is this. We are just image field is included here. Look at that. Here is another div. This is our image class. We just first give id name is avatar pre avatar preview. Now once again look at that. Here is a source. This source one is come from as8. I'll just show you auth static function. So use avatar. If you have face any issue or confused to understand, so please feel free to make the comment, and I will try. So first of all, I just told that please follow the sequence of this video, and step by step you will be understand everything. You need to be patient, friend, because you know that programming is the patience. Here is the height will be actual pixel. So width will be another 100 pixel as well. Support radius 50 pixel. Margin top will be 10 pixel. And just make the condition of auth user avatar, otherwise empty. This is the if else condition, others nothing. So display will be none. I hope that it's perfect. Okay. Okay. And this is a div, and here is this the input. So type will be file, name will be avatar, and id will be avatar input. Okay. So okay, and now this is the name. This field name is name. Input type will be text. Name equals to name as well. Not need. Don't need here this placeholder as well, and what's the value we just keep auth user name, and this field will be required. Okay, and this is last thing, maybe email. This the last thing will be email, as well as input type email. Okay, and name will be email, and not need for placeholder, we just put the hello as well. This the auth user and email, and this also this required as well. Fine. And this a button, this the update as well, that's fine. Okay, look at that. Here is this. We have put the two route admin profile update, and this as well as admin profile store. We need for two route. Here is this web.to PHP. Okay, look at this. All is this put the admin route. Okay, and this user route. No route will be. So now make the route. First, we make the r- uh, resource controller. Okay, so PHP artisan make controller backend slash setting controller. Okay, Achha, this controller is already okay. The setting controller already. So now, so PHP artisan make controller backend and admin profile controller, and it's a resource. Okay, so now this control profile, perfect, and this the route. We know the resource controller, profile, and admin profile controller. So class. Okay, perfect. Okay. Already already look at that. Error is gone. Okay, perfect. So now go to the admin profile controller. Here is our browser. Just first of all, just reload. Just check is, yeah, undefined constant is put. Okay, just let me check what's happening. And now he's look at that. This is the method will be put. Sorry. So we just make the mistake of our syntax, and here is here. I hope rest of these things will be fine. And let's check. Let me check for the browser, and is it perfect or not. Once again, just keep reload. Yeah, look at it. This is the profile and is and everything, and this is the one things. And look at that. This is the upload photo. You just uh, what is the things? If you want, just upload a photo. This photo will be not shown. I just show you, like literally. This is the tower. It's a main project. It's a live project. Actually, I just want, just give me some times. I'll show you what. Oh, we just make the credential is error. So now for another thing, I just forgot totally the password, but don't worry, we just available option of forgot password. Look at that. Yeah, on the project, and I actually just want for here is this profile. Okay, so just make here and just similar like one. Okay, just using for JavaScript and change for this type of scenario. So that's why this type is not happening here. Actually, image didn't show currently. Okay, so now go to VS Code and fix this issue. Actually here, so first we just push scripts. That's fine. And okay, so this is the script. Dollar, dollar document dot ready. Here is the function as well. Dollar hash avatar input. Look at that. This avatar unit comes from. Look at that in here. Look at that. This avatar input. Okay. So this avatar input dot change actually. It's very simple. This is a change and it's the function. And so passing the parameter, and now let render equals to new file render. Okay, and reader dot unload this function, passing the parameter as well. It's the avatar preview, and also avatar preview. I just show you avatar preview. Look at that. This is the avatar preview. Okay, so now avatar preview dot attribute. This sorry, attribute, not attree function. Attree. Okay, it will be the source and e dot target dot result dot show. So fine, and that's the reader dot read as data URL or not. It's a capital letter of URL. So e dot target dot files. Okay. So maybe perhaps is everything is fine, but don't worry. You just get all of the source code for video description. I just shared the full project Git resource. I bottom to the video description as well. So go to browser. Okay, just first of all, give reload here. This is the profile, and once again try to upload a photo as well. Not showing actually. It's not work. Okay, I just check it. Okay, first we just here I just got the point. Look at that. Here is this the push scripts. Okay, now go to here our backend.master. Here is the script and look at that. We just missing for stack and script scripts. Okay, okay. Once again, just skip reload here and check everything is perfect or not. We just need to try for upload image and image preview, actually image preview shown, and yes. Okay, and the next we just make a functional controller and makes it dynamic. Okay, okay, let's see for the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel as well. Also you need this the full source code of this project. So please feel free to join for WhatsApp and make for your query, and I just try to respond as well. It's actually this is the professional project. Okay, so you just get each and everything is so much dynamic and so much professional. Okay, so we just make it so much effort as well. Actually you just also look at it. This is the git. Okay, I just show you here. Already 6 commit. You will already shown that. Look at that. This is the admin setting design. All of this source code is step by step you will get in here. Okay, so I hope this project will be the key if you are a fresh you if you are a new or some experience of this Laravel. So you can join this tutorial. So I hope you will learn a lot. Hopefully I will try to best coding practice of industrial level. So if you have this project of your portfolio, so you can definitely get the extra a benefit of your job or other purpose. Actually this is our client project, and I just share of this project of this tutorial. And also look at that, you also see this. Here is this live chat functionality, and actually it's really professional. Okay, and which types of integration are you done with Laravel? I will show you step by step. So I hope this project will be the key of your era. So thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.